the start of the distribution of the grade 7 textbooks that will cost the government of Kenya a total of 3,164,365,856 follows the completion of the assessment exercise of all primary schools to ascertain their readiness to host the junior secondary school runners, with the books expected in all schools that have been found suitable to admit grade 7 learners. The government is now proud to launch the distribution exercise, which is expected to be completed next week. And I require to make it clear that the number of primary schools which will be hosting junior secondary schools, according to our assessment, are now over 20,000, and we'll be giving you the specific number, and those who have not qualified are actually very few, because our major criteria was on the enrollment, the numbers that we have as they transition, and there are others few that will serve as feeder schools to those that will be offering junior secondary school.